Today we're gonna do a dentist for dogs. Just to tell you, well, on all the other things, it's usually Changun, but he's still gonna be starring on this, so you should check it out. Right, coming next on Cartoon Network. Hey guys, so today you will just need a toothpick. My hair was in the way. There we go, toothpick. And a Sharpie or any type of pen you have. And a bag of treats. And a dog. Okay, so this is how we get started. Here we go. So first you put this into its mouth. Try not to hurt it. Say ah. Come here. Bring him closer. Please bring him closer. Come here, boy. Say ah. Make him say ah. Put it in his mouth. Leave it there. Don't let him drop it because he usually drops it. Use this toothpick. Right now, just check on his teeth. Check on his teeth. See right there? Teeth and bottom teeth. If it's, and you're going to just like do this. Just try not to poke him. Just check his teeth, and if it's good, it is perfect. But if there's like something wrong with his mouth, he's really good. After that, give him a treat. He's a good boy. Okay, thank you for watching KJHUTV Dentist for Dogs. You can do this at home. You don't need to go to a doctor just to check up. Peace out.